Hey dear Leo, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. Before we begin our reading for the month of October 2020, I request all the Leo to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. So, dear, I have your cards here with me. Let's begin our reading for the month of October 2020. What the card says is kind of different messages. What I am seeing here is, you see, this month is seems to be a little challenging for you. Um, yeah, where I am seeing that if I have to interpret this, I'm seeing going through. You may be going through little financial trouble. You see, this is not the time. If you are planning for some investment, if you are planning for change of job, or if you are looking for some expansion, then this is not the time, dear Leo. Okay. No. Mm, yeah, at the same time, some you will be occupied with few financial worries also. And yeah, lack of finance is what I am seeing here. Again, the devil energy is saying me that is giving me a hint that you are being tied up, or you are being dealing with some uh, situation. You are tied up with some situation which is troubling you a lot, knowingly or unknowingly. Probably I think you are not aware of it. Maybe like you are in a how to say, yeah, maybe like you are in a bad company, or maybe something you have picked up, some habit you have picked up which is not for your good. Okay, which is troubling you, but you are not still aware of it. Leo, this is the time that you should be careful about all these things, because no, nothing will go like that. When these things go, they takes up so much of us, right? So we should be a little careful about all these things. Or probably I'm also seeing some kind of worry. You are occupied. Your mind is occupied with the it's been hijacked. If I have to say, your mind is hijacked with some kind of issue which is not serving the purpose here. Dear Leo, uh, I would say you have another energy coming this month, that is the magician energy, which is saying that you have the skills, you have the power to overcome all these things, but you are not able to use these. You see, you are not able to, you are not using your skills properly, you are not using your power properly. Otherwise it's very easy for you to overcome with these sort of troubles. But you are not making the most of yourself again, Leo. So why not to give a second thought on that? What is that troubling you? Why is that you are not able to leave it? Why is that you are still allowing something to trouble you a lot? So just think about these questions, think around these questions, and then probably you see, you might really get some reply. Yeah, there are possibilities. Yes, you may be getting a reply if you really get into a deeper communication with yourself. Okay. And then also I also caution you about your finances. So be careful on your expenses, sorry. Be watchful of your expenses this month, dear Leo. This is not the time that you should be spending money lavishly, or spending money unless and until it's a necessity. Just make a point of it. Okay. And then I have your energy card, community. This sounds to be a little interesting. Yes, it sounds to me a little interesting to me, where I'm seeing that you will be able to meet like-minded people this month, who are going to help you in enhancing yourself in whatever issue, or if you are looking for some expansion also, Yes, this is these like-minded people are going to give you that kind of guidance, or some kind of learning also might can happen with this community. So the energy card is saying that you see, you are going to get benefit, or not benefit, but yes, you will be able to meet like-minded people this year, this month, this October month. Okay, and at the same time you should be cautious about these issues. You shouldn't be you shouldn't be holding things, or you shouldn't be allowing someone or something to rule upon your emotions, right? So this is what I'm seeing, this is the what I'm seeing, Leo, here. And then I have your angelic guidance from the angel, and here is the card for that. It's such a lovely card here. So a child with an angel sitting here, what I'm seeing here is a child on the lap of angel, and the angel is saying you care deeply about children, and they really respond to your love. All children, including your own inner child, require love, affection, and attention. We can clear and open your heart and schedule so that you can give more time and energy to the children who need you. Uh, So I think with this tarot, I would say angels are here guiding us and telling us that you are ignoring yourself. Probably that is what earlier I told you that you are not using yourself properly. You are not using your skills properly. So angels are here to say again how beautifully they are reminding us. They are giving us this guidance that this is the time. You see, this is when you should look into yourself, introspect yourself, your energies. You have the power to deal with any situation, any kind of situation, and but you are not making use of it. So you need to be, you need to be like a child. You need to love yourself. You are ignoring yourself here, so you need to first love yourself, and that is how you can heal and able to take charge of the things happening around you, right? Dear Leo, so yeah, and anyhow you are getting the support of people, also support from the community, means like-minded people. Okay, so yes, Leo, this is what I had to say about this month October. And before I wind up, I request you to please do share your honest review in the comment section below. I will be very glad to read them. Okay, and that's it. Again, then see you next month. Okay, till then, I wish you good luck. Bye bye. Take care.